Revered by the Maori people for its many invigorating properties, Manuka has been used for centuries in New Zealand for its plethora of health benefits. This essential oil is a pure steam distillation of the potent aromatic compounds found in the flowers, leaves, and stems of the Manuka tree. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Manuka Essential Oil. The common uses for this are aromatic, so if you can breathe it in, you can enjoy its aromatic and aromatherapy benefits. You can also use it topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of Manuka are that it promotes feelings of relaxation, freshens and cleanses the air, supports healthy and smooth skin, and supports your immune system function. The directions for use are diffusing 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser to center oneself during prayer or meditation, or you can add 1 to 2 drops to your favorite cleanser to maintain a smooth complexion. Another use is just applying 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rubbing them together, and breathing it in, which will go straight into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions, and so breathing them in is the fastest way to positively affect your mood. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe if you haven't already done so for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.